Hello, do you guys sell dogs?
We do.
Oh, really?
What kind do you want?
Corgi.
I want
Extra cats,
a
though.
poodle.
You want a poodle?
Yeah.
You can have whatever you want.
Okay, I want
Bro,
a
this bitch
poodle.
is
I want it.
such a
I
dude.
want it chopped in half. Also, take the heart of it.
Oh, no. We just chop it all up and fry it, and you get the whole thing.
Okay.
That bitch fucked up.